Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to add roles in your Discord server. So as you can see, we have two bots over here and then you've got the normal people here. Now you want to make sure it's kind of a mess, right? You've got bots and then you've got humans, and you don't want that. You want it to be a bit organized. So we're going to be going to our server settings. Once we're in server settings, we're going to press on roles. Once we're in roles, we're going to create a role. What's the role name going to be? Villager. And we're going to color it in this color. Why not? After doing that, we're going to make sure you can mention this role and display it separately. And then we're just going to save changes. Once we save changes, we want another role such as a bot role. We're going to type in bots and then put it as blue color. And then also make a separate group for them so that nothing's mashed up together. And we want to press on save changes. Once we do that, you can organize this as an order. Everyone's going to be at the below. Me6 is going to be below in bots, and villagers will be on top. After that, we're just going to save changes. Once we press on save changes, we're going to go to escape and then basically add the roles. The humans are going to be villagers and the bots are going to be, well, you guessed it, bots. With that being said, it's as simple as that. I just created roles and assigned them to the people and the bots, and yeah. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.